What if I told you that the walking routine you've relied on for years might not be the optimal path to staying strong and independent after 60? As someone who's delved into the latest research, I was amazed by a 2024 University of Copenhagen study that tracked adults in their mid-60s who incorporated resistance training. Those who lifted weights 3 times a week preserved leg strength years later, showing dramatically better mobility compared to those who only walked. In fact, strength training groups improved muscle power by up to 47% in some studies, reduced fall risk by over 70%, and enhanced overall health markers like blood pressure and bone density far beyond what walking alone achieves. Participants often spent less time exercising, but gained more in longevity and quality of life. The top exercise on our list is deceptively simple, activating mechanotransduction pathways that rejuvenate cells, as per Harvard research, potentially boosting lifespan indicators by significant margins. This could be the key to thriving at 80 instead of struggling at 70. Before we dive in, share in the comments your age, where you're watching from, and have you noticed walking isn't cutting it anymore? We're replying to every comment with tips. Like and subscribe for more senior health insights. Now, let's count down the 5 exercises that can transform your fitness after 60. Number 5, wall push-ups with hold. Kicking off at number 5, wall push-ups with a hold may appear basic, but they're backed by solid evidence for building upper body strength in seniors. A 2023 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity highlighted how low-impact resistance exercises like these boosted strength and reaction time in older adults. After 60, muscle loss accelerates at 3% per year, impacting daily tasks like lifting or steadying yourself. This exercise targets functional patterns for real-life benefits. To do it, stand arm's length from a wall, palms at shoulder height and width. Lean in slowly, 2 seconds. Hold near the wall for 3 to 5 seconds, engaging chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Then push back, 2 seconds. Start with 5 reps, build to 15. Adjust distance for difficulty. Research from the University of British Columbia showed 41% strength gains and 23% better reaction time after 12 weeks, aiding fall prevention via improved proprioception. Next up, an exercise that strengthens your lower body from a seated position. Number 4, seated leg lifts with resistance. At number 4, seated leg lifts with resistance prove that sitting doesn't mean slacking. They're powerful for mobility. A 2024 study in the Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation noted resistance training's role in enhancing walking speed and stair climbing in seniors by up to 45%. Walking speed, dubbed the 6th vital sign, predicts longevity. This targets hip flexors, quads, and core for everyday movements. Sit straight in a chair, feet flat. Lift one leg straight out to parallel, or as high as possible. Hold 2 seconds, lower without touching floor. Do 10 to 15 reps per leg, keeping back against chair. Add ankle weights or bands progressively. Unilateral work fixes imbalances, and studies confirm progressive overload builds strength at any age, often more dramatically in seniors. This debunks myths about post-60 limitations. Before continuing, if you're finding this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. We drop senior wellness videos daily. Number 3, standing heel raises with balance challenge. Number 3 spotlights standing heel raises with a balance challenge, zeroing in on calf strength and stability. Often neglected, but vital. A 2023 National Institute on Aging-linked research tied calf function to independence, with stronger calves linked to 64% fewer injurious falls. Calves act as a peripheral heart, boosting circulation to fight swelling and clots. Stand behind a chair for light support, rise onto toes, hold 3 seconds at top while gazing ahead, engaging vestibular system, lower over 3 seconds. Start with 10 reps, progress to 25 or single leg. Japanese studies found 20 single-leg raises correlated with 15-year younger biological markers and 43% better arterial flexibility. The pump mechanism improves brain blood flow, enhancing cognition by 26% in 12 weeks. It builds stumble recovery force and neural pathways, with MRI showing increased gray matter for coordination. Vary speeds for optimal gains. Now, for number 2, which surprises with its knee-friendly power. Number 2, modified squats to chair. Our number 2 is modified squats to chair, safe and transformative even for knee concerns. A 2024 meta-analysis of over 15,000 participants found such exercises reduced knee pain by 58% and improved function. It hits glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, and back. Essential for sit-to-stand, a predictor of mortality, 3 times higher risk if arm-assisted. Use a 90-degree knee chair, feet hip-width, toes out. Arms crossed or forward, hinge hips back, 3 seconds down. Lightly touch chair without relaxing, stand up, 2 seconds, squeeze in glutes. 5 to 8 reps to start, up to 20. Stanford research showed 47% lower body power increase and 0.2 meters per second faster walking in 6 weeks. Key for independence. Brain scans revealed motor cortex activation, rewiring for better movement, progress by lowering surface or adding weights, and finally, the top exercise revolutionizing senior fitness. Number 1, Bird Dog Hold Progressions. Topping the list is Bird Dog Hold Progressions, the all-in-one powerhouse for aging. A 2024 Journal of Gerontology study praised core stabilizing exercises like this for healthy aging, with benefits in stability, cognition, and bone density. It tackles core, balance, back, and more, activating cross-lateral brain firing to cut dementia risk by 31%. On hands and knees, neutral spine, extend opposite arm and leg to align, hold 5 seconds, hips level. Alternate sides. Progress. 5 to 10 second holds, add pulses, eyes closed. Mayo Clinic data showed 93% core strength boost, 76% less back pain, 82% fall reduction, and 3.2% bone density gain, reversing yearly 1% loss. Mechanotransduction rebuilds tissues, while neuroplasticity grows brain volume. German imaging confirmed multi-region activation. Breathe deeply. Extend actively for 40% more gains. It enhances rotational stability for daily tasks. These 5 outperform walking by targeting diverse declines in just 20 to 25 minutes 3 to 4 times weekly. Half the time for superior results, per Copenhagen findings. They build multiplane strength, balance, cognition, and resilience. Start slow. Adaptation happens at any age, even 90s. Share. What's tougher after 60? Your weekly exercise minutes, biggest consistency hurdle, drop experiences below. We're responding. Thanks for watching.